Want to clear all your WhatsApp call history at once? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all WhatsApp call logs in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, go to the Calls tab, where all your recent WhatsApp calls are listed. Next, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. On some devices or iPhones, you may see an Edit option directly on the screen. Tap on Edit or Select Calls, then choose the option to select all your call history. But in iPhone, it directly shows and offers a clear option. After selecting the calls, tap on Clear or the Delete icon. Now confirm by tapping on Clear Call History. Once done, all your WhatsApp call logs will be removed successfully from your account. If you don't see the same options on your screen, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version, because the layout may look slightly different depending on your device. And that's how to clear all WhatsApp call history at once. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.